radio check.
718.
45 minutes.
Penalty, please.
This video explains how to set up your radio to transition between the analog system and the new digital system. We're going to do this by programming your MS1 button. This process must be performed on every APX radio in your agency to ensure that you are ready for digital cutover. If your radio has been programmed to support radio system cutover capability, it will have two complete sets of zones which look nearly identical, with the exception of the asterisk or the little star. Here are a few examples of what the talk groups will look like on your radio when comparing analog to digital. Okay, let's get started. We'll start by placing the radio on the first channel of the first zone. This will ensure we have a reliable starting point. First off, locate the home button right here and press and hold it for about 5 seconds. Okay, there we go. You should now be sitting on your home channel of the radio. We can get back here anytime by pressing and holding that same home button. Now, locate the keys for zone up and zone down right here. You may need to use the four-way navigation pad to find the zone up and zone down, but if you search left and right, you'll eventually find it, or you can always press the home button quickly to get you back. Press zone up multiple times to navigate from your current A zone all the way to the new digital A zone. On this particular radio, it will come right after the X zone, and then it wraps around to zone A digital. And you can always verify this by looking for the asterisk on your zone label. It's somewhat small, but not too hard to see. Once you've verified that you are on the correct zone and channel for the new digital system, then locate the MS1 button by using the four-way navigation pad. Now we're going to program this button. So press and hold the MS1 button for about 6 seconds until you hear a beep. The programming procedure is now complete, and it's time to test the button to ensure that we've done everything correctly. An easy method to test the MS1 button is to return to the analog home by long pressing the home button to take us back to the analog home. Then scroll until you find your MS1 button and give it a quick press. Keep in mind, we're going to quick press for normal operation. We only long press when we're programming it. As you can see now, it ended up back on the digital zone. So once again, let's go back to the analog zone A with a long press of the home button. And then locate the MS1 button. Give it a quick press. And now we're on the digital zone A. Keep in mind that the long press of the MS1 button is only for programming. Normal use is done by a quick press. At this point, your MS1 button is now ready for digital system cutover, and you can go back to using your analog channels until the digital system comes online. Check back soon for additional videos covering the transition to the new digital radio system. Thanks again.